screen recorder cut off. It brought it up my 2 feet. Now we will have to play with, after we get the rest of this thing kind of built, we may have to play with our brick pattern a little bit to get things to line up. Man, my computer's like making all these funky sounds. I guess we'll see, huh? Okay, so like I was saying, we're going to have to play with our patterning on the brick hatch with some of these elevations to get these things right, but that'll come later. Okay, now next I'm going to put in another section across here and then one coming back this way so that I can get that corner built. So let's go ahead and I'll walk through another one. We'll do another brick wall. And let's see, I'm going to go from the end. And let's see, because I've got this set at core face interior for my location line. Okay. Now I got to play with my elevations because that was a -2 foot 3.5. Okay, let's look at our elevation. But I want that brick, I want it to step up another 2 feet. So I'm going to select that one and I'm going to break it up. Come on. Okay, let's pull that over to here and go to my section. And so that is going to end up being 6'6". Okay. And then this will drag up to there and lock it. I didn't lock the other one over there. And now I need to do an alignment. Okay, and so you see how it's kind of stepping up there. We'll go to 3D and look at that. And then I'll have another one coming across here that's going to step, and I'm going to keep it in simple dimensions. Okay, and I'll go ahead and do that. So that's kind of the first couple of videos. I just want to show you those things on doing on how these stepped walls and stacked walls things kind of work. Okay. Okay. I meant to explain in the beginning of the first video about the levels that I've created for you. If you go to the south elevation and look on the right side, I've put the basement floor, the first floor, and the second floor. Okay. And then over here on the left side, I've put the top level things. Those are like not really bottom, but floors. Okay, so over here I got, second floor ceiling, which is the top of the wall plate. It's not the bottom of the gypboard ceiling. It would be the top of the gypboard ceiling. Okay. Same way, garage ceiling, first floor ceiling. Those are all bottom of wood framing. Okay. And then top of foundation wall is just that. It's top of the foundation wall, top of garage footing, top of basement footing. Okay, and then these little things were the step walls that we were working on in the previous video. They go down below. So I didn't create a level for those because I wasn't sure exactly where they were going when I did that. So now that I know, I could put a level in there, and I may do that before I move ahead and start doing footings. We'll see. Okay, so I wanted to explain levels to you before we go too much further in the project.